Hey, so if you want to save money and always find the best hotel prices on Booking.com, yeah, there are some simple tricks most people don't use. In this guide, I'll show you how to find the best deals on Booking.com step by step in 2026. First, always sign in to your Booking.com account because many deals are only visible to logged in users. Booking.com's Genius program gives extra discounts, free breakfast, and better room prices. Use filters like deals or budget to quickly find discounted hotels. Sort results by lowest price to instantly see the cheapest options. Changing your travel dates even slightly can reveal cheaper deals. Hotels outside city centers are often much cheaper. Use Map View to find them. Sometimes the Booking.com mobile app shows lower prices than the website. Free cancellation lets you rebook later if prices drop even more. Booking early or grabbing last-minute deals can both save you money depending on the season. And yeah, that's it. These tips will help you consistently find the best deals on Booking.com and save more on travel.